Hello and welcome to Say It in German. Together, we will learn new German words and phrases. How to say yes or no in German. In German, we say ja oder nein. Yes or no. Ja oder nein. Ja. Yes. Ja. Nein. No. Nein. Repeat after me now. Ja oder nein. Ja oder nein. How to say everything okay in German. In German, we say alles in Ordnung, everything okay, alles in Ordnung. How to say are you okay in German. In German, we say geht es Ihnen gut? Are you okay? Geht es Ihnen gut? Geht es dir gut? Are you okay? Geht es dir gut? How to say how are you in German. In German, we say wie geht es Ihnen? How are you? Wie geht es Ihnen? Wie geht es dir? How are you? Wie geht es dir? How to say let's go in German. In German, we say los geht's. Let's go. Los geht's. How to say may I pass in German. In German, we say darf ich mal vorbei? May I pass? Darf ich mal vorbei? How to say excuse me in German. In German, we say Entschuldigung. Excuse me. Entschuldigung. How to say I'm sorry in German. In German, we say es tut mir leid. I'm sorry. Es tut mir leid. Es tut mir sehr leid. I'm so sorry. Es tut mir sehr leid. How to say bye in German. In German, we say tschüss. Bye. Tschüss. Auf Wiedersehen. Goodbye. Auf Wiedersehen. How to say you're welcome in German. In German, we say gern geschehen. You're welcome. Gern geschehen. How to say thank you very much in German. In German, we say vielen Dank. Thank you very much. Vielen Dank. Danke. Thanks. Danke. How to say thank you in German. In German, we say ich danke Ihnen. Thank you. Ich danke Ihnen. How to say see you tomorrow in German. In German, we say bis morgen, see you tomorrow, bis morgen. How to say see you next time in German. In German, we say bis zum nächsten Mal. See you next time. Bis zum nächsten Mal. How to say see you in German. In German, we say wir sehen uns. See you. Wir sehen uns. How to say see you soon in German. In German, we say bis bald. See you soon. Bis bald. Later in German. In German, we say bis später. See you later. Bis später. How to say hello in German. In German, we say hallo, hello, hallo. How to say welcome in German. In German, we say willkommen, welcome, willkommen. Here are other ways to say welcome in German. Herzlich willkommen, a warm welcome. Herzlich willkommen. Willkommen bei uns. Welcome to us. Willkommen bei uns. Seien Sie willkommen. You are welcome. Seien Sie willkommen. How to say good morning in German. In German, we say Guten Morgen. Good morning. Guten Morgen. Let me repeat it slowly. Guten Morgen. This phrase or greeting is normally being used between 6 to 11 in the morning. And here is an alternative that is being used in south of Germany. Grüß Gott. Good morning. Grüß Gott. All right, now it's your turn. Repeat after me. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Grüß Gott. Grüß Gott. Both Guten Morgen and Grüß Gott are Begrüßungen. Begrüßungen. Greetings. Begrüßungen. How to say good afternoon in German. In German, we say Guten Tag. Good afternoon. Guten Tag. It's good to know that this phrase literally means good day in English. However, it is the greeting used from 10 or 11 in the morning until 6 in the evening. All right, now repeat after me. Guten Tag. Guten Tag. How to say good evening in German. In German, we say Guten Abend. Good evening. Guten Abend. We greet with Guten Abend from 6 in the evening. All right, repeat after me. Guten Abend. Guten Abend. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more German daily.